This is how to unbox and assemble this candle holder. These are the tools required. A 7/16 socket and a 9/16 socket, an extension, screwdriver with a hex end, and a ratchet. These will be provided. First step is to take your screw gun and open the top of the box to remove the top black piece. After removing all your screws that are holding this sheet of plywood in, remove the top, remove all the styrofoam that's covering the artwork. And then if you look in here, you will see all your pieces ready to be assembled. These pieces here are screwed down, and that's where the sockets come in. The stainless steel pieces are held in by nuts here and here. Those will have to be removed. Use your 7/16 ratchet and socket. Remove these. And then they should easily come out of the packaging. This piece is quite heavy, so be very gentle with it and careful. Now that all the nuts are removed, everything is ready for assembly. The first step for assembly is the base. We have to connect the base, wooden base, to the stainless steel shaft here in the box. You will need the 9/16 socket. Use the piece of styrofoam that was part of the packaging. Put it on the floor. Ready your piece of wood. You will see in here, very lightly marked, is 1, 2, and 3. And the glass is also marked 1, 2, and 3. And for the design, it is important that each glass goes into the proper slot. So you will put this like this on your styrofoam. And this is probably better done with 2 people. You will need more people for the later on instructions anyway. So do this with more than 1 person. After removing the base, remove the stainless steel rod and remove the bolt on the end here. The bolt and the washer go on this side. The stainless steel rod goes on this side with the 3 notches. Try to line up the stainless steel rod. And tighten. Now it's ready to be put on the floor like this. Next step in assembly is remove the metal pieces from the box. This one, including the styrofoam here. This piece, very heavy, careful. And then this piece of styrofoam. Then remove the glass by tipping this down. Put a piece of styrofoam here on your box so you can place the glass on the box. Lift up. Labeled number 3. Labeled number 2. That will go into slot 2. And number 1 goes in wooden slot number 1. Okay, for the next part, you're going to need 3 volunteers. Wear gloves so you don't get fingerprints on your art piece. Start with piece number 1. The sticker is on the flat side, and the flat side is the side that goes towards the stainless steel. So number 1 goes into slot number 1. And then your volunteers will help you hold it in place. Number 2, sticker on this side. This is the side for the metal. And number 3, same thing. This is the steel side. Once everything is in place, take your heavy stainless steel piece with the 3 brackets on it, and very gently and carefully bring it down on your glass.
Go down if it will. Yep. It's got to go another centimeter. I think those big rubbers are just too tight.
Yeah, I think they're pretty much where we can be. If your rubber stops are hitting at the very top of the stainless steel, you're good. Now it's time to take your provided screw and screwdriver and your stainless steel cup. And line it up with the thread on the bottom. Do not over tighten because you're putting pressure on the glass. After checking all your pockets and making sure that the glass is nicely seated everywhere on the wood base and on the stainless steel, really tighten the top down tightly to make it nice and sturdy. After removing your stickers, you're ready to go.
here is the finished product.